Hi and welcome to the video about how to get Unity to play inside a browser. Now, a lot of you have enjoyed playing games online, and that's what we're going to do with the games. We're going to get them into a web browser. Now what you can see here is a very basic Unity game, doesn't do very much, but inside Google Chrome. And that is what we're going to aim to do today. So, first I'm going to close this down because I don't need it open. And let's go to Unity. Now I've got this project I've been working on. Very simple to people, the world around. But what I want to do is build it as a WebGL. So I need to go to File and Build Settings and change to WebGL. And then all I want to do is click on Build and Run. So this is going to turn it into a program that will work, and it's going to play it for us so we can test it. So if you go to this PC and choose Unity Assets. So mine says Student Share. You need to choose Unity Assets. I'm going to go to Unity Assets as well. And inside there's going to be a folder called WebGL. Inside this WebGL folder, you need to click New Folder. And I want you to name it with the name of the game. So mine's just going to be Mr. Andrew's Game. Okay? A new folder in this Unity Assets WebGL folder. And when you're in that, you select the folder. And what it's going to do is it's just going to build the game in that folder, get all the assets together, all of the scripts, everything working. And then once it's finished, it's going to open up Internet Explorer. Now, Internet Explorer will not be able to run it. So you'll get something up the top, a web address that says something like HTTP localhost 6012 or whatever it is. You need to copy this and paste it into Google Chrome. Once you paste it in Google Chrome, your Unity project should start to play. It could take a few minutes to do the Unity build because mine's still working along. But that is it. That's all you have to do. So good luck with that, and let's have a go.